Gothenburg is a city located on the west coast of Sweden. It's the second largest city in Sweden, and it's known for its picturesque canals, vibrant food scene, and rich cultural history. Things to do in Gothenburg. Visit the Gothenburg Museum of Art. This museum has a fantastic collection of Scandinavian art, including works by famous artists such as Carl Larsson and Anders Zorn. Stroll around the Haga district. This is the oldest part of Gothenburg, and it's a great place to wander around and soak up the atmosphere. There are lots of charming cafes and shops to explore. Take a boat tour. Gothenburg is a city built on water, so a boat tour is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. You can take a guided tour or rent your own boat. Explore the fish market. Gothenburg is famous for its seafood, and the fish market is a great place to sample some of the local specialties. Visit Liseberg Amusement Park. This is one of the most popular amusement parks in Scandinavia, with lots of rides, games, and attractions for all ages. Food and drink. Gothenburg has a vibrant food scene, with lots of great restaurants and cafes to choose from. Here are a few local specialties to try. Seafood. Gothenburg is famous for its seafood, so be sure to try some fresh fish, shrimp, or lobster while you're there. Prawns. Prawns are a local delicacy, and you can find them in many of the city's seafood restaurants. Swedish meatballs. These are a classic Swedish dish, and you can find them in many restaurants around the city. Fika. Fika is a Swedish tradition of taking a coffee break with friends or colleagues. Be sure to try some of the local pastries while you're enjoying your fika. Transportation. Gothenburg has a good public transportation system, with buses and trams running throughout the city. You can buy tickets at kiosks or onboard the vehicles. Taxis are also available, but they can be quite expensive. Accommodation. There are lots of accommodation options in Gothenburg, from budget hostels to luxury hotels. Some popular areas to stay include the city center, Haga, and the waterfront. Climate. Gothenburg has a maritime climate, which means that it can be quite mild and damp throughout the year. Summers are generally mild and pleasant, with temperatures ranging from 15-20 to 59-68. Winters can be quite cold, with temperatures dropping to around freezing. Currency. The currency in Sweden is the Swedish kronas AK. You can exchange currency at banks, exchange bureaus, or at the airport. Many places in Gothenburg accept credit and debit cards, but it's always a good idea to have some cash on hand. Language. The official language in Sweden is Swedish, but most Swedes speak English fluently. You shouldn't have any trouble getting around or communicating with locals in Gothenburg. Safety. Gothenburg is generally a safe city, but it's always a good idea to take precautions when traveling. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas or on public transportation. Avoid walking alone late at night and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Culture. Swedish culture is known for its emphasis on equality, environmentalism, and social welfare. Swedes tend to be reserved and polite, and punctuality is highly valued. When greeting someone, it's customary to shake hands and make eye contact. Overall, Gothenburg is a beautiful and vibrant city with lots to offer visitors. Whether you're interested in art, food, or outdoor activities, you're sure to find something to enjoy in this charming Swedish city. Enjoy your trip!